Pablo from the Spanish team of the KA2 Action Project for Young Community Organizers. Now I'm here in order to talk about the power analysis tools. In this point, we offer you two concrete tools that you can use. One of them is the pillar of support. Imagine a structure, like a classic temple. So we're at the very top, we have the problem or issue your community organizers is trying to solve. And here down in the corner are you. These groups or the pillars of our temple, we're talking about specific groups of people. It's not concepts or ideas. So in order to identify them, we are going to do a little brainstorm about who of those groups of people are just supporting the problem. If you, through your community organizing and your actions, change the situation and people start supporting the problem, the issue will collapse. So we're gonna show you with some graphics.
Yes, I was always concerned
Use
about
unemployment.
Yes.
Employment.
Employment.
And it's based on three big columns. One,
Like Greece.
what is the cohesion select? Here? Okay. The first one, it's about school. It means like teachers and like school system. We can say.
Yeah. School system. Maybe something more specific also, like what is the school system? Or
School system and school system, for example, let me see.
Maybe like they don't have a good system and after school it's hard to find a job because maybe you don't practice, you don't have the knowledge,
Possible related activities, for example.
you don't have the experience.
Okay. But example, you can cut, I suppose. Okay, here we had politics, and here journalism. And I will try. You can write it here. I will draw it. I'm not good at all, but I'm just good. Okay, and this one, journalist. Okay.
Journalists.
Okay.
And the job.
Okay.
Now we're going to show you how this tool can be used. In this case, we're gonna work with the youth crime, which is gonna be our issue, our problem. And it's gonna be in the top of our temple. And we're gonna try to identify some pillars. In this case, some pillars are gonna be supporting the problem maybe actively or passively. For example, we're gonna have in one of the pillars the police. In one other of the pillars, we're gonna have the gangs. And in other of the pillars, we're gonna have the locals, the local people. And later we're gonna see how are they gonna support the problem. Once we identify the main pillars, we are going to use another tool, which is the power graph. With the power graph, with this method, you will analyze the behavior of the pillars towards the issue and therefore how many resources do they allocate to ensure the issue still exists. In the vertical axis, we'll have different options, starting from the top. 1. The group is actively supporting the issue. 2. The group is passively supporting the issue. 3. The group is neutral. 4. The group is passively against the issue. 5. The group is actively against the issue. In this example, you see about 3 pillars concerning a situation of street violence, and the identified pillars are the local gangs. They are actively supporting the issue. They are participating in that kind of violence also maybe inviting to the young people to be in those camps. The police force. The police force is between passively supporting the problem and trending towards neutrality by being inactive and avoiding, for example, these neighborhoods. And also we have the locals. The locals are kind of neutral and passive because they fear it and they don't know what to do about it. In this case, an option for you is to bring community organizers to the locals and build resources, power and competencies so that the locals can build a strong advocacy group to demand to the relevant authorities the presence of law enforcement in the neighborhood, which can result in the gangs needing to hide more and therefore not to support the issue as much before, making youth crime issue slowly crumble down. Now we identified the main issue, the pillars, and also how they are supporting this problem. We're gonna try to take some actions in order to reverse the situation. Another tool that you can apply with the group here is the problem tree and the solution tree we discovered in the previous chapters.
Well, with this analysis of the tools you can use, we conclude our online course about youth community organizer. I hope you can use them in your life, with your communities, with your organization, and I hope you to see each other. Bye bye.